Good morning, students. Today we are going to do The Thief story, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Now, who was Ruskin Bond? He was an Indian author, but he was of British descent. He came from Britain, and after that he was adopted here, and that family used to live in Missouri, and so he became an Indian and he wrote as an Indian. He has written many stories about the children, and he has also helped in their growth of literature. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Now, who are the characters of this story? There are two main characters of this story. One is Anil, who is a 24 years old person. He lives in a room which is just above the Jamuna White sweet shop. He is an educated person. He writes books. He writes articles. He is a wrestler. And his job is fits and starts. Fits and starts का मतलब होता है कि means he does not do only one job. वो हमेशा अपनी जॉब्स बदलता रहता है. उसके बाद द सेकेंड कैरेक्टर इज द नरेटर इटसेल्फ, जो एक 15 years old बॉय है. ही इज़ अ थीफ, चोर है, एंड ही कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग हिज नेम. इस स्टोरी में वो जब अनिल के पास जाता है तो वो अपना नाम हरि सिंह रखता है. ही कीप्स हिज नेम हरि सिंह, विच वॉज ऑल्सो अ फॉल्स नेम. Now, what are the characteristics of these persons? Anil बड़ा easy going person था. He was very honest. He was very trustworthy. He trusted anyone. किसी की भी बातों में आ जाता था. He was also a wrestler. He was honest, trustworthy, as I told you. वो educated person था. And he wrote articles for magazines. While जो narrator था, he was dishonest. He was a thief. Even those person who trusted on him, वो उनको भी धोखा दे देता था. He was illiterate. He didn't know how to study or read, write. And Hari Singh was his false name in this story. Now the introduction. In this story, we talk about a young boy who makes friends with Anil. इस स्टोरी में we will talk about this young boy जो नरेटर है. वो है ना अनिल के साथ अपनी फ्रेंडशिप्स बनाता है. अनिल ट्रस्ट्स हिम कम्प्लीटली और वो उसको अपने यहाँ रख देता है. डज द बॉय बिट्रे हिज ट्रस्ट? दैट वी विल सी इन दिस स्टोरी. ही इज़ अबाउट 15 years old, आई सेड, एंड ही चेंज हिज नेम एवरी मंथ. हर मंथ में वो अपना नेम चेंज कर सकता था सो दैट द पुलिस एंड द एम्प्लॉयर्स मे नॉट कैच हिम. This time he had kept his name Hari Singh, and you will see how the thief betrays Anil by committing a theft, but then he retracts later on. पर वो वापस रिपेंट करता है अपनी भूल के लिए और वापस अनिल के पास आ जाता है. So we'll start with the explanation of the lesson. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an inexperienced and fearfully successful hand. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. You'd look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. अब क्या हुआ कि जो थीफ है वो स्टोरी इस तरह स्टार्ट होती है कि दिस स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स with the thief who is the narrator of the story. He goes, according to him, he was very pretty good at stealing. वो एक बहुत अच्छा चोर था. जब वो वहाँ अनिल के पास जाता है, अनिल was looking at a wrestling match. वहाँ रेसलिंग मैच देख रहा था और अब उसने सोचा कि अगर किसी को अट्रैक्ट करना है, किसी को इंटरेस्ट करना है, किसी को अपनी तरफ खींचना है तो उसकी फ्लैटरिंग करनी चाहिए. So he went and told him that you can also wrestle. आप भी एक बहुत गुड रेसलर हो. तो अनिल ने है ना उसको बोला कि तुम भी है ना यू ऑल्सो लुक अ रेसलर. जबकि उसे मालूम था कि शायद अनिल इज जस्ट ऑफेंडिंग हिम. वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी थिन. उस टाइम अच्छा रेसलर वो नहीं हो सकता था. बट देन ही डिडंट से एनीथिंग. Then Anil asked him, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? What is your name? He said, my name is Hari Singh. The narrator, what happened, he used to change every month his name because he was a thief. And so that the police may not catch him, या उसके जो पुराने employers जहाँ भी वो अपना काम करता था, they may not catch him. So every time he changed his name. Now Anil started talking about the wrestlers and all. And when Anil was leaving, he also followed him. वो भी उसके पीछे पीछे गया बिकॉज एंड ही टोल्ड हिम दैट मुझे आपके लिए काम करना. ही वॉन्टेड टू वर्क फॉर हिम. बट अनिल सेड दैट आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग मनी टू पे यू इफ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप यू ऑन वर्क. आई थॉट दैट ओवर फॉर अ मिनट. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet house shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around smiling in my most appealing way and he couldn't help laughing. Later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he'd teach me how to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would my time for buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now what happened? Anil said that he cannot pay money. He said that I will not be able to pay you. इसलिए मैं आपको रखना नहीं चाहता हूँ. But Hari Singh said कि you have misjudged me. Now please keep me. So he said, okay, do you know how to cook? उसने कहा हाँ मैं आपके लिए कुक कर दूँगा. Then he said, okay, I can keep you. You cook for me and you can get the and you can be fed. But I cannot give you any payment. फिर that day when I was hired, we went to his room which was on Jumna sweet shop. Then there I cooked food for him, but he did not like it, I feel, because he gave it to the stray dog. खाना बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं बना था. मैंने ना उन्होंने उसको डॉग को दे दिया. उसके बाद he told me you go away. But I kept on staying there only. I did not go. So what happened? Anil told me, okay, I will also teach you how to cook and I will also teach you how to study. I'll teach you how to write your name. I will teach you how to add numbers and all that. Now what happened? I felt कि अगर वो मुझे teach करेगा तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा. I'll become a educated person and then I will have no limit and I can achieve. मैं सब कुछ achieve कर पाऊँगा जो भी मेरे पास होगा. So now what happened? In the morning I used to make tea, then I used to go to the bazaar to get the things. और मैं उसमें से ₹1 निकाल लेता था. अनिल को भी मालूम था पर उसने मुझे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा. He did not tell me anything. Now, Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could do as I pleased. I could come and go as I pleased. He was most trusting person I had ever met, and that is why it is so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford as to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he had been robbed, and that takes the pleasure out of the work well. It's time I did some real work. I told myself, I'm not of practice, and if I don't take the money, he'd also waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. अब क्या हुआ कि अनिल जो था वो अपना मनी है ना मीन्स अपना काम कैसे करता था. ही डिड नॉट हैव एनी रेगुलर इनकम. उसके पास कोई रेगुलर इनकम नहीं थी. वो अपना जो पैसा था वो हमेशा दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ करके उसको वो है ना कमाता था. उसके पास कोई फिक्स जॉब भी नहीं था. और जो नरेटर है वो ये कहता है कि अनिल यूज्ड टू बी वरीड. हमेशा वरीड होता था उसके पे चेक्स के लिए, क्योंकि वो क्या करता था, इवन आर्टिकल्स लिखता था मैगजीन्स के लिए. पर जैसे ही उसका चेक आता था वो क्या करता था, ही वुड नॉट सेव. ही वुड गो एंड सेलिब्रेट इट विद हिज फ्रेंड्स. अब मैं नरेटर के साथ 1 महीना हो गया था मुझे रहते रहते, और वो मुझे ट्रस्ट भी करने लग गया था. ही यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट मी. ही वॉज लाइक वेरी ट्रस्टिंग. वो मुझे ट्रस्ट करता था और उसको ये विश्वास ही नहीं था कि मैं कुछ कर दूँगा. अब मैं भी ये सोच रहा था कि बस एक थोड़ी सी मैं है ना वो पैसों की चीटिंग कर लेता था. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे है ना अभी मेरा बड़ा हाथ मारना चाहिए. आई शुड डू इन विच वर्क आई वॉज. जो मैं एक थीफ था, मैं उसको आराम से चोरी कर सकता था बिकॉज ही हैड गिवन मी द की, जिसमें मैं अंदर घर में आ सकता था, जा सकता था. आई कुड रॉब हिम, गो हिम. ही सेइंग किसी ग्रीडी मैन को है ना रॉब करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, बहुत प्लेजर होता है. पर इस तरह के ट्रस्टवर्दी पर्सन जो केयरलेस पर्सन होते हैं ना, उनका थोड़ा सा रॉब करना अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि उनको ये भी ध्यान नहीं कि मेरे पैसे चोरी हो गए. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड दैट डे व्हेन ही हैड गॉट द मनी of his article in the magazine, he brought it and he put it under the mattress. मैंने सोचा कि today I should do my work. I should steal him. And for that, you know what justification he gave? उसने पता है क्या justification दिया? कि वो वैसे भी ये पैसे है ना अपने friends के ऊपर लुटाएगा. He will have party, he will have that. इससे better है I only steal it. So that night he thought that today he will take the money and he will rob Anil and go off. उसने ये सोच लिया, अपना पूरा निश्चय बना दिया. So now we'll end our chapter here only, because further on we will continue with our chapter tomorrow.